Do you know that we actually have a wonderful, beautiful farm right in the middle of Bangkok? Have you been here before? It's so amazing. It's called Chul Farm right here in Sansiri backyard. It is so beautiful. Come on, let's have a look. We have so many wonderful organic vegetables that they grow here, like lettuces. Look at these baby lettuces. These are baby lettuces that are being ground. We have rocket leaves, even kale leaves. This is perfect. Wow, look at that. Oh, come on, look at this. This is lettuce, which is so yummy when it's put into salad. And we've got lime over here. Wow, this place is just beautiful and amazing. You guys gotta have to come visit this farm because it is so wonderful. And you know what? The Art Brainery is having some special STEAM workshops right here this weekend on 3 time slots at 10 o'clock, 4 p.m. and 5 p.m. It's the perfect opportunity to experience the farm and bring home an educational experience as well. Come on, let's go see our play space. It's going to be so much fun. Melons, look at that. Look at those melons hanging on the vines. Wow. All right, and let's go have a look at our workshop space. Yay! And we are going to have our workshop right here in this workshop / play space right here in the farm. And look at the view we're gonna have. It's going to be the perfect way to spend the weekend. It's outdoors, it's natural, you're gonna have fresh air, and you're gonna experience the farm like never before. So remember to come join us, and I'll see you right here in this wonderful workshop play space. Come and meet Miss Vicky and Pete Tutti this weekend. Bye bye.